payout last night of just a quick little $500 just to pay ourselves, just so that we can capture some more evaluation accounts. We're live on our YouTube. Maybe this session is exhausted, but we're gonna watch. First trade on live, we're gonna try to capture a break and retest to the downside using pre-market lows.
Keep it as Instagram returning.
Good morning and happy Tuesday. Welcome back, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders. Guys, we took a payout last night of just a quick little $500 just to pay ourselves, just so that we can capture some more evaluation accounts. Just so that we can buy about 3-4 of these bad boys. Not that we actually plan on spending that right away right now, but it just gave us a little bit of room so that we could buy 1 or 2, try to pass them very quickly. And that's actually what I'm doing today. So I did buy 1. And here we are just trading it right now as we speak. And, as you can see, the balance is, only up $46. And the cool thing about TradeC is you can copy trade. So I'm going to use my other accounts, copy trade this one, and we're going to try our absolute best to just trade. Now, today doesn't look that promising, but of course, we can scout, we can capture something. We're going to be live for an hour and 30 minutes, so we might as well capture something. All right, guys, so we're live on our YouTube. And as always, post it into the Discord as well. Let them know that, guys, we are alive trading on the TradeC. Let's see how much money we can make today, guys. So the overnight market moved already. Maybe this session is exhausted, but we're gonna watch. The market already sold off so hard, so to try to capture short and shorter again is pretty wild. First trade on live, we're gonna try to capture a break and retest to the downside using pre-market lows. Now, one scary thing is this SPY, or the market in general, is already sold off very hard. So to try to capture another downside action play is a little bit risky, but we're willing to take that risk. The reason why we're willing to take that risk is because we're already up $45. If we lose 97 on this trade, we're only going to be down around like 40 to 50-ish bucks. Really not that bad at all for our one and done trade on New York City session market. We'll come back the next day. Of course, it's only Tuesday, so we don't want to risk it. We don't want to try to go crazy. We're going to see exactly what we can do with this trade here. And we're still live on YouTube. We've been live for an hour and 30 minutes. So let's see what we can get into on this trade here. So we took our first trade earlier on live, took a break even trade. Now we're in our second trade here, being on gold. Just very simply the same setup. Basically a break and retest to the downside. We're up only $48. So worst case scenario, this trade will put us down like 150-ish, 160-ish on the day if we lose. That's what my brain thinks. I'm not thinking about the win. Although it would be nice to win. Of course, we all want to win. Nobody likes losing. But I only think about the risk first. Now, we're going to head out here, close out the live, since we do have to hop on a sales call here shortly. So as you guys can see, sales call here. We're going to hop on another one, which you guys will see it again on the vlog. And we're just going to be in this trade and let it hold and pretty much call it good. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Again, we were live for almost 2 hours. We're going live every single day. You don't want to miss these live sessions. They're very fun. I'm not the best trader. I'll never claim to be the best trader, but I'll at least show how I trade, and I keep it real simple. KISS, keep it super simple. I'm not out here trying to say, need this divergence to close over this, this. It's very simply just give me break and retest. That's all I need. Boohoo. Yeah, we take some losses. Boohoo. Boohoo. We just took payout last night, so boohoo. I don't mind if I lose 150. Boohoo. Boohoo. Anyways, guys, have a great rest of your guys' day, and we're going to continue on the vlog, but have a great rest of your guys' day on the live. So I'll catch you guys on the next one, guys. Have a great day. All right, guys, so this trade's going nasty in favor. One up 130 on this trade here, and of course, we're going to hold it. We're going to go on this live session here in 15 minutes, or on 8:15. But guys, this one's very simply just a simple break and retest. And again, we took 2 trades on live, one being one break even, and now we're still in this one.
As like a template all the time. Keep it as Instagram returning.
So guys, we just hopped off our sales call. It's currently not a beautiful day today. It's currently raining, so we're gonna head on out and let's go see what's cracking on out here. But we finished our call, talked about sales, talked about numbers, talked about what's going on for this fresh month, guys. It's a fresh month, so again, we gotta take it serious. With all that being said, we are only up 52 bucks, guys. Not even that much at all. We try to take the short here, keep getting stopped at break even, which is totally okay because trading gold is very scary. We also took a short, same thing on MES, not that long ago on the pre-market low here, and then got stopped at break even again. So pretty much that's pretty much it. If we do take a long on MES, I'm looking for longs above this general area. All right, guys. So far we're actually just gonna head on out. Nothing really going on in the market. We already took our trade. We already took what we're gonna do, our 1 and done, our 2 and done, and now we're just gonna head on out, guys. So catch you guys on tomorrow's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed today's session. We went live on Discord and YouTube, and we're gonna go live every day. So if you guys want to see the next live session, please just join. It's free. Literally, it's just live on YouTube. Catch you guys on the next one.